Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start trading. That's completely false. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start trading by just $100, even if you're a beginner. I also teach you a simple scalping strategy that you can use right away. But keep in mind, this is just a simple strategy that you can start right away. But my own strategy that me and my students are using to pass the platform challenges to make serious money is way more professional and advanced. And I'll tell you how you can learn that at the end. So make sure you watch till the end and subscribe if you want a game-changing strategy. First thing first, if you're trading with just $100, you need a broker that offers low spreads, high leverage, fast execution, and also is trusted, especially if you're scalping, because brokers do many things to take your money from you. And in the next videos, I show you how you can select the best broker for yourself. Personally, I use a broker that I put in a description. I don't want to name any broker. You can use any that you want, but I use this one, and you can use it if you want. It has all the criteria that I told you. I'll leave the link in the description. You can check it. And if you want to start, that's a good start for that. Now let's talk about simple scalping strategy that you can use right away, even if you know nothing. You can also use prop firms, but for the start, I don't really recommend that because I want you to feel the dollars. I want you to feel the money. I want you to start and make some money, even if that's a little bit, not much, doesn't make you rich, but you can feel that you can make money in this market. You have to believe it in your mind first, okay? You can use prop firms, but it's way harder. And I use some prop firms that I can tell you about, and my students are passing the challenges. But for the start, I want to show you how you can make $100 out of your 100. I want you to double your money using this strategy. I show you exactly how you can do it step by step. But for the next steps that you want to lower your risk and make some serious money, you can use prop firms. I use that to make serious money. Okay, I withdraw thousands of dollars from them, but it has some techniques that you have to study first. Okay, so let's get to the chart to learn the simple scalping strategy that you can earn some money with. Okay, to start with. Okay, guys, actually, I wanted to show you a strategy based on indicators, and then I told myself, what the I don't use indicators. That's what all the people are teaching. Nothing to show. So I decided to teach you a better option, something that is based on liquidity, based on smart money. Okay, that's simple but powerful. You can use it forever if you understand it. Even if it's so simple, you can make money forever with it if you understand it well. Actually, my own strategy, my professional advanced strategy is uses some basics of this strategy. Okay, so don't underestimate it. Okay, let's get to it. The liquidity grab scalping strategy. It's on 5-minute charts. You can use it on other time frames, but it's better to start with 5 minutes. I have my own reasons, but I don't want to make a long video out of this. Okay, and why it works? Because we don't use lagging indicators. We gotta use a real market structure. The market structure I show you here is so simple, but it's effective. Okay, it exploits liquidity zones, the same method that smart money and banks are using. uh, the market, always remember, it's the market needs liquidity to move. Okay, that's so simple sentence, but it's so deep. We are going to talk about it in the next videos. It has high accuracy. It avoids fake outs. Even some of experienced traders are still hunted by the banks. Okay, but this strategy avoids fake outs, and you are not gonna be trapped in their traps. Okay, so let's get to the chart and see how it works. At first, you have to understand the liquidity grab. Most traders lose money because they enter too early. The market doesn't move in a straight line. It hunts for liquidity before making big moves. You have to remember that. Okay, the market needs liquidity to move. It's like a gas to a car. Okay, so let's get to the chart to see. Look here, look here. Okay, look here. This is an obvious resistance zone. Look at this. This is a resistance zone. I want to look for the ones that are so obvious because I want to make this strategy as simple as it can be. Okay, this is price rejected here. I put a line here. That's my resistance zone, and market grabbed it, go beyond that, but couldn't stay there. And the market momentum to the bull side, to the upside, is so weak, and we rejected there. This is a liquidity grab. Okay, so let's get to another one here. For example, look at this, or all this area, all of this. Okay, I don't want to make it complicated. Let's go simple. Okay, this is an area. I can show this, I can show this, I can show this. These are all support levels. Market goes there, make a shadow there, couldn't stay there. The momentum to the downside is so weak and rejected. This is a liquidity grab. Okay, look at this. Okay, you can see that right now. Okay, look at this. This is a high. I don't like this. Okay, this one is okay. Go there, couldn't stay there. The bullish momentum is seems good, but it rejected heavily when came back. Okay, now another example here. You can see this. I think this one. This is a really good grab. Okay, um, look at this. Okay, so our strategy is based on these liquidity grabs and then enter at the perfect moment. What is that moment? I'll show you. Okay, now I tell you the basics of our strategy. We use the strategy at a 5 minute time frame. At first, or first step is that you look for a clear high or low as a support or resistance, and you have to mark the zones like this one, okay, like this one, like this one, like this one, and then the second step, you wait for a liquidity grab, and you have to wait that price spikes there like this one and then reverses back. Okay, you want to see a big wick, a fake out candle. Okay, and then at the step 3, you have to confirm reversal with a strong candle like this one. Okay, like this one. This is strong. It has a big body and it closes near the low of the candle. Okay, this is a strong candle. This is a strong candle. This is a strong candle near the high. For the bull candles, it closes near the high. For the bear candles, it closes near the low, like this one, and this one. Okay, like this one, a good bull candle, strong one. So these are the 3 steps, and let me write it for you to be easier for you to know what we are going to do. Okay, I wrote it here for you. Let me make it bigger if you want to take a screenshot of it out of it. Okay, that's it. Now let's get to the chart to see what happens. Now, you see this one, like the one that we showed here. This is the clear resistance level. This is the first step. This is the second step. This is a good shadow here, the shadow here for the second time. And we have to wait for the bear candle because it fakes out above the resistance level, goes back, and we need a confirmation to enter. Where is the confirmation? A strong bear candle, which is it. This candle is good. We enter here at the close with the candle. When the candle closes, we enter here. Where is the stop loss? The stop loss is here above the high, and or is the reward is gonna be 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. It's simpler to use 1 to 2 because you have more win rate. This is it. 1 to 2. Here is the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so if you risk 1%, you make 2%. If you risk 2%, you make 4%. I recommend you to use 2% risk per trade. Okay, that's not bad. You are working with $100. That's not much money, and yeah, I think that's a normal one. Okay, now let's get to another one. This one, okay, This is a clear resistance level. It goes up. There is no shadow. It might be a more complex example. Actually, in a 10-minute time frame, this is a big shadow, but I don't want to make it complicated. Let's go for simpler ones. Um, this one is not bad. Yeah, this one is not bad. If you have this resistance level, it goes up, there's a shadow, it goes back immediately. It's not a bad candle, not as strong, but it's not bad enter. Okay, I enter here, stop loss is here, 1 to 2 is to bar. Here we got the target, 2 out of 2 right now. You may say, how about this? How about this? It breaks it. It's not liquidity graph, okay? What about this one? It's not that good. It's not that bad. We don't have a good fake out here, but I actually, if I want to trade this strategy, I will actually enter this one because I know that this shadow is enough. It comes back. It's not my confirmation. It's not a great candle to enter. I wait until I see this one. Okay, I see this one and I enter at a close of it. This is my stop. This is my target. Okay. Now, I didn't want this video to be so long, so I cut it out and I put more examples on the next video. Actually, I wanted it to be 10 minutes, but it got to, I don't know, 25, 30 minutes of my examples because I'm so detailed. When I'm teaching something, I want to go in details so you can know actually how it works. Okay, that's maybe because of my engineering background. But anyway, more examples in the next video. But I think in this video you got what I told you. But for more examples, go to the next video. Okay, when you're working with $100, risk management is everything. If you don't manage your risk, you're going to ruin your account as soon as possible. So soon that you won't believe it. And if you're not a responsible person, you're going to blame others for your losses. You know what I'm saying? You're going to say this strategy is not working. The market is full of manipulation. Of course, sometimes it is, but we can manage it. I'm going to tell you how brokers and market makers and others are going to manipulate the market and how you can avoid it in the upcoming videos. But there are things that are not in your hand. Okay, you have to control what you can control. And for the other ones, I have some advices for you. This video is going to be short, so I'm going to tell you all of them in the upcoming videos. So about managing your risk, I have some risk management strategies, money management strategies that can transfer a losing strategy into a profitable strategy. You know what I'm saying? I cannot tell you in this video because this video is gonna be simple for the ones that gonna start the market, working on the market right away. But in the upcoming video, I'm gonna teach you those. Okay. So for this video, I usually tell my students to risk between 0.5% to 5% per trade. Okay. If your account is small, like $100, you can risk like 3, 4, 5% per trade. Because if you're risking too little, your gains gonna be too little. And for small money like $100, that will be boring for you. For like risking half a dollar, 50 cent, $1 in a trade, that would be boring for you, and that's gonna make you over trade. Okay, I'm telling you this by the experience of myself and many students that I got, and I know what you're thinking. I have worked with different personality types of students, and you're gonna face these problems. So do exactly what I tell you here, okay? You're gonna make some money with it. So you can risk 3 to 5%, say 5%, right? And with the stop of 10 to 20 pips based on the pair that you are trading, like your USD, your stops will be between 10 to 20 pips. For gold, it's going to be 40 to 50 pips. So for gold, you're going to trade with 0.01 lot or 1 nanolot. For euro, you can trade like 0.04, 0.05, or for simple saying, 4 or 5 nanolots. Okay, That's gonna work for you. So these are the things. But if your stop is bigger, like for Europe, is like 25 pips, you have to risk like 0.02. Okay. If you don't know how you can calculate this, if you don't know how you can calculate your lot size, I'm gonna teach you, coming videos. Like, it's so simple. You can Google it. It's not that hard. Okay. If for gold, if your stuff is like more than, I don't know, 60, 70 pips, more than 50 pips, okay, you don't trade it. Okay, you don't trade it. As simple as that. Because I don't want to go deep in it, but just don't trade it. So the risk management here is so simple but working. Okay, simple but working. For gold, I told you. For USD, I told you. For GPS is like a little like USD, but a little bit smaller. If you know how to calculate lot size, and if you know how you calculate your risk, it's gonna be simple for you. Okay, right. So I think that's it for now. So let's say with the risk management strategy and the strategy that I told you, your stop losses would be between 10 to 20 for forex pairs, and for gold is like 30 to 50 pips. Okay, and your target would be 2x of that. For 10 pips stop, your target would be 20 pips. For 20 pips stop, your target would be 40 pips. Okay, so with that, you're gonna, if you lose a trade, you're going to lose $5. If you win a trade, you're going to win $10. And with the win rate of like 60% or more, 60 to 65% win rate, you're going to be good with it. I tell you, this strategy is so simple, but it works. If you do what I told you to do, the risk management, the strategy itself, the criteria that I told you that you have to consider. So make sure to rewatch the video if you didn't write the strategy, and then start backtesting for yourself and see the power in it. Okay. If you backtesting and you don't get the win rate of 60% plus, you don't do it. Just rewatch the video, be precise with what I told you. If you have any questions, just write in the comments and I answer that in the upcoming videos, okay? So that's it. Simple but working. Now let me be real with you guys. This strategy works, but that's not what I personally use in a market. It's just a beginner friendly method to get you started and make some money, okay? My personal strategy is way more advanced. It filters out weak signals, avoids fake breakouts, and adapts to market conditions. It's what I teach to my students who want real, consistent profits. Okay? So if you want to learn my full trading strategy that I personally use, you have to pay 2 to 5K USD. Just kidding. I'm gonna break it down for you for free in the upcoming videos when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna teach you step by step what I do to make money, to pass the profits, to withdraw some good amount of money that I show you in the upcoming videos. My statement, my withdrawals, my student withdrawals in this channel. I think I'm gonna find some good people and we will make money together. That's it for today, guys. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll reply to every comment. And remember, my full trading strategy, professional strategy, coming soon. Make sure to subscribe here so you don't miss out. Bye for now.